Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I do my nails at home, and this is the nail art that we will be doing today. So let's get started. As the day gets cold, my heart. I'll link all the products, nail paints, brushes that I'm using in the description, so do check it out. Also, there will be my social links as well, so if you haven't followed me on other social platforms, do check them out and follow me over there as well. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a video. Still see your smile, and it breaks my heart that I'm gonna see you anymore. Your lovely eyes, those soft eyes, those glassy words, see right through your lies. Inside my head, it tells me what if you do now wake up. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care and have a nice day.